Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. I am quite excited about this video for a few different reasons, which we'll get into in a minute. But it's going to be a little bit of a talking video, so bear with it. It will definitely be worth it in the end, as you will see. But yeah, we did start making a different video a few days ago, but the weather took a turn and that went out the window. We was doing a bit of woodwork on the interior. Acceptable but cold. Anyway, who cares? This isn't a weather forecast. Yeah, we got something in the post today, which we will show you in a minute, which does mean we can start running these little boys, my 4-inch Falconers, finally. So that I'm quite pleased about. We are actually on these wheels again. Yeah, I sold my wheels. They are gone as of recording this. They're actually getting sent out tomorrow. Got a courier coming to pick them up and they are gone. Gonna miss those wheels. They are nice actually, nice deep dish, big. They did look really cool to be fair, but they were no longer fit for purpose, so yeah, they had to go. But that leads me on to these bad boys. We have managed to get me some new wheels. I mean, look how cool they're gonna look on there like that. As you can clearly see, I have already opened one because I'm far too excited. When I was at work, these arrived. The second I got back, I immediately opened them because I'm a child and I couldn't wait. I think what we're going to do is just show you this one. Oh. Yes, I am throwing my wheels. And this is what we got. A nice, I don't actually know the name of these, Mercedes wheel. Now, I love these wheels. I've actually liked these wheels for a while. I did want to get a set for the Audi, but I've got them for the van. Yeah, these are 7.5G, 16-inch wheel, and they're made in South Africa. Not really many more to say about it, to be fair. Exceptionally good. I mean, speaking to the guy who sold these to me, they are in amazing condition. I think somebody's refurbed them and just never fitted them. There's a few little scratch here. The lips are absolutely outstanding. They're not a mark on them. Very much looking forward to seeing the van on these, which, like I said, means I can finally run my 4s. That's not how it goes. I just wanted to show you guys these because I am super excited about these. Like, genuinely really pleased with these. There's a few little marks on them, but in the grand scheme of things, especially for the price, these were an absolute bargain. There's number 2. Wheel number 3. Sorry, I'm eating my daughter's sweets. But I think we should let my daughter open the last one. So the knife will go away. The scissors will come out. And we will swap. So there's all 4 of them, all unwrapped, ready for tyres. Oh, that's a look! That looks amazing. Yeah, we're gonna go here. We're gonna go get some tyres tomorrow. For you, it'll be like a second, and then we can get these mounted, get the forks put on, wind the front down, see what this thing actually looks like. Yeah, I'm actually quite excited about this. I have actually been speaking to Shane about notching and engine raise because I've got a funny feeling I'm going to be rubbing my gearbox, so I need to do an engine raise. Anyway, let's stop the chitter chatter. Let's go get these tyres mounted. Well, for me, tomorrow, but for you, in like now. And welcome back to a new day. Well, it is for me anyway. That's a second for you guys. But today is the day we go and get tyres mounted on the wheels. Now, the wheels are actually in the back already. Just need to go get the tyres put on them. I genuinely been waiting for this all day. I mean, it's a bit later than I was hoping for, but had a few bits and bobs to do, a bit more important. But now it's time we get these tyres fitted on these wheels. Really nice chap, always use them. Good price, and yeah, he's quite happy with the old tyres I had. And he actually put a stretch on them for me. Now, a few other tyre shops I phoned weren't happy about doing the stretch on those wheels, especially because they're going on a van. but no, he was good as gold. He was happy with doing it. I told him what I wanted the tyres and wheels for. Good as gold. He's had to order them in for me. But anyway, we're almost here. We're going to get these fitted. Probably won't film when I'm there because it's just a bit awkward. But we'll see you probably when we get back home. Well, it's the day after the day you've just seen. Took the wheels down there to get done. He was quite busy, so I left them there overnight. And yeah, went and picked them up this morning after I went and finished work, so we can now get them fitted. Also get my fours finally put on and hopefully perfect. Bought a few bits and bobs. Gonna get that oil leaks. It's still leaking oil, so hopefully this is gonna get fixed. And you know what, that's another video, let's not talk about it. But something else I did do is my windscreen wiper delete's breaking, so I need to make sure that's welded up. And yesterday I was trying to get into the back of the van because that's where everything's kept, and what I've done, hopefully you can see in there, is I've snapped just there. I've snapped the actual handle off. So no longer get into the back of the van, which absolutely sucks. Well, I can. I've had to take some of the wood panel off the back, and I've had to, in fact, wait there, I'll show you. The right pain. Ta-da! What a pain in the ass that is. So what I've got to do is I've got to pull this handle, which you can see moves that rod up there, but it doesn't move. It's like a latch at the top as well, so I've got to move this as well. So I've got to pull that and push down. It's a pain in the ass, but we can still get in the back, which means I can now access my tools. Has anyone got a link for a different one of them? I need a different tank for my diesel heater, but not that one. Anyone got a link for like a shorter, decent size one? Something sort of like a fuel can sort of size. If you do, please let me know, because I'm interested. But that's not what this video is about. Well, let's show you these wheels all tied up. And there they are in their glory. Don't they look nice? Oh. Let's just get to it, I guess. Probably put you on a time lapse for this bit because this is going to probably take a little bit longer, so we'll time lapse you up. We'll do the big reveal at the end of how she actually looks all lowered and sorted. So let's get on with the time lapse. Right, well, what I actually did forget to tell you is these wheels are obviously standard T4 wheels, been banded, but they fit perfectly just like that onto the hub. But my new ones don't. And when I sold my old wheels, I sold them with the hub centric rings, so I've lost one.
I got one.
So what I've had to do is go out and buy new hub centric rings. Now the point of that is obviously the hub that size, that fits on there perfectly, but the new ones don't. Well, they go on like that. One for each wheel, obviously. The new hub, as you can clearly see, is a bit bigger. And these just go in like that and adapt it from the T4 size to these size. If anyone is interested, I will put a link in the description. But now they fit on like that. So yeah, I think what we're going to do is we're going to get the front done, and then we'll pick a camera back up when we're getting the fours back onto the back, and then we can get the big reveal done of how hopefully I want it to sit. So we'll see you in a second. Well, that's the front done. We're not going to show you yet. Now we need to adjust the back to accommodate for the springs, which is easy. Get the van up on jack stands, put the jack underneath the arm, and make sure that it's taking a bit of slack off of your limiting straps, because if you're running fours you definitely need them. So as you can see, slack on it, and then undo the strap just like so. Lower the jack, bye fives, Hello fours. And then they're up to just about where the spring's compressed, like that. And then adjust the strap, put the bolt back through, tighten it, and then springs all nice and tight, and then do the other side, and then wheels on, done. I have already adjusted the front. Obviously I'm gonna have to leave it for a bit just to settle, but I mean, I'm looking at it now, it looks awesome. Right, we're gonna finish off doing this and then we can show you the whole thing, but that is how easy it is to sort your springs out. But if you are running fours, please make sure you're running those limiting straps because you definitely need them. Anyway, let's go on with doing the other side. Oh, it's run out of battery. Well, the battery died on the other one, so attempt to. See? Easy as that.
Where would I put it?
Also, in case you haven't actually seen, 5s, 4s. Yeah, boy.
Is it going like that? This bit goes like that?
Nope, other way around.
That.
That's it. Now, all we got to do is the same as we did on the other side. Take that, adjust it, put the 4s in. You're dirty. And then, yeah, I haven't looked at it too much yet because I don't want to ruin it. I want to see it at the same time as you. So we're going to get this done, put down on the floor, and then we can have a look together. So see you in a sec. Right, it's a little bit longer than I thought because I've had to do a brake line relocation. Come here. This brake line normally goes over the top of this arm, like this wire is here. This doesn't actually go to anything. I need to cut that off. But that bracket there normally comes sort of up and sits sort of like there, and then the lines connect into it and go that way. Well, all you need to do, I forgot to do it, and to be honest, I did forget to film, but all you've got to do is, if I take a camera, is you disconnect this cable off the back of the brake caliper, you pull the line through, obviously it goes up and over, and then you pull it out through this gap up here, underneath, bend the bracket back down so it'll hold it, goes back underneath the arm, because if you are running 4s, as you can see there, that gap there isn't really a lot, so if you do hit anything, you are probably going to end up catching your brake lines. I've also done the other side. I should have filmed it, really, sorry. Done this side as well. It's a little bit on the crude side, but it works. Yeah, happy days. So I am going to get the strap all tightened up. 4's already in there, and get the wheel on. So, see you in a sec. Well, it was a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. Should have just been a quick changeover, but I ended up relocating those brake lines, so it did take a lot longer. But it's now sat on the 4s and my new wheels, and it does look pretty damn awesome. So, turn around and show them. That is how we're looking. Nice bit of tuck at the back. That looks stunning. Do still need to adjust the fronts. I didn't adjust them fully. Well, they're all but fully done. They can do with coming down just a little bit more, but leave them where they are just for now. Just let everything settle for now, and might as well show you the other side. There's the rears. Nice bit of arch gap, that needs to go away. But look at that. There is my clearance, the subframe. Oh dear. Not a lot of clearance under here. But look how she looks. I love how this thing looks. This thing looks insane. So pleased with it. Hopefully you guys like it. Like I said, what do you think about the wheels? What do you think about the colour? Right, we're going to get ourselves gone. We've been out here long enough and it's starting to go off a bit cold. So we're going to get that done. I'm probably just going to stare and take a lot of pictures of the van because this is just insane. Might take it for a drive and see what I scrape on. Probably everything. Don't care. Amazing. I love this. So we are going to be adjusting the front at some point. I'm going to leave it where it is for now. I'm happy with how it's sat. I just want to leave it alone for a little while. I am in talks with a few people about getting this thing notched in the very near future, so that's something to look forward to. I am going to have to do an engine raise, so I think I may be ordering that in the very near future. But for now, I'm happy with where it's sat. We're going to go take it for a drive, see what it rubs on. Probably absolutely everything, but I don't care because it looks amazing. Please let me know in the comments what you think about how it looks, what colour, etc, etc. I'd like to get your input. But that's about it. But until the next one, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Take it easy.